But before that guys, please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more notifications and for more tech reviews.
Double cup, big computer, holy nuts. Out of my friends, I want Audis. Smoking on booth in his Maui.
As we all know that Huawei Nova 7i has no Play Store. So, no Play Store, no problem. As you can see here guys, I already have these all games downloaded in my Huawei Nova 7i. Since Huawei is one of the tech giant company and the second largest smartphone manufacturer globally, they created the Huawei App Gallery and soon will be the rival of Google Play Store and iOS, and this is now the third largest app store available in the market right now. But as of now, some applications are not yet available in this platform, so Huawei doing their full force, full effort to develop this and investing billions of dollars to offer to all apps developers. So to download this game, we have to use a third-party application which is the APK Pure. And to download this, just go to your browser, the Chrome, search for APK Pure app, click this, and click download. So now you can download any apps or games you want here. And as you can see here, I already downloaded this Call of Duty games, so I can play it now. Come on guys, let's get it on.
Hunter killer drone deployed. Reloaded. Changing back. Recon for deployment. Friendly Predator missile inbound. Friendly Hunter killer drone deployed. Hunter killer drone deployed. UAV online. Grenade out!
Lumalabas, pag 1,100 mas ang basic salary mo, lalabas sa 700. Plus, may dalawang buwan
Keep on them. What is this one? Predator missile inbound.
So, kailangan bayaran mo lang yun. So, 5,000 plus 700. Yun yung kailangan na makuha mong settlement.
So guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews. Peace out.